Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I am bringing you some more cleaning motivation. I am going to try to get as much done as I can during nap time, in the kitchen, the living room, our little dining area, while the baby naps. So I'm starting off in the kitchen. This is probably, I would say, like my everyday cleaning routine. I always start off in the kitchen, just getting the dishes out of the dishwasher from overnight, filling the dishwasher up with the dishes that have accumulated in the sink, and getting everything off the counter. I try to come in here and do this every day because it can get overwhelming. Our countertops just fill up with stuff. It's like our catch-all. We come in through the garage, which is like right by the kitchen, so this area gets a lot of traffic. So I try to keep it as clean as possible. I'm just going through and wiping down the counters and just doing the dishes, just, you know, regular old cleaning stuff. Yeah. If you are new to my channel, I just want to take a second and say welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. I'm so excited that you clicked on this video. If you are enjoying what you are seeing, please consider subscribing and sticking around and hitting that little bell, and you'll get notified every time I post a new video. I have a good variety of things over on my channel. I don't like to be put in a box, but most of my videos are cleaning videos. They are just what I like to film and edit. So yeah, I would love to have you join our little community over here. We have some amazing supportive women if you are also on a YouTube journey. And then if you were just watching just for motivation, I hope you get some out of this, and I would love to have you stick around. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watching my videos and just continuing to support me on this journey. It just means so much to me, and I would love to connect with all of you over on my Instagram. I have my handle down in the corner of this video, and I'll also link it in my description box. It's just easier to connect over there, I feel like. Love to connect with all of you. That is what this community is about. I have recently joined WW, or formerly known as Weight Watchers, and I'm so excited. I would love to know if you guys would be interested in seeing content based around that, as far as like recipe videos or what I eat in a day videos. I love watching those to get new ideas, and I would love for you guys just to follow me along on my journey and hold me accountable. Just let me know down in the comment section if that is content that you would be interested in and that you would like to see from me. I'm super excited to start this journey and bring you along with me.
That is why you left without a text. I miss you, babe. I'm forgiving everything that we said when we were drunk. It doesn't matter 'cause it all came from I won't let it show. You got a hold on me. I remember the sound of us being loud, so loud, so loud. Just wonder where you're walking and talking, thinking, are you the same? Wonder how you're doing and moving through the crowds every day. And all I wanna know, are you thinking about me? I just gotta know. I just gotta know. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. So numb, doing all I can to move, but I can't. Oh no, I gotta let you go. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. I wish I could get you out of my head. I don't know why I still got your shirt. It's like time flies, but it still hurts. Oh, you're moving on, I know by your tone, while I'm moving backwards. Just wonder where you're walking and talking, thinking, are you the same? Wonder how you're doing and moving through the crowds every day. And all I wanna know, are you thinking about me? I just gotta know. I just gotta know. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. So numb, doing all I can to move, but I can't. Oh no, I gotta let you go. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. I wish I could get you out of my head. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. I wish I could get you out of my head. I wish I could get you out of my head. Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight. But this time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound.
I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and got some motivation out of it. If you did and you haven't already, please consider hitting that subscribe button before you leave. It means so much to me and I genuinely appreciate every single one of you that comes back and watches my video. It just keeps me going. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.